All right.
Do you want me to start?
Cool. You start.
Hey, what's up? I'm Emma.
I'm Pablo.
And this is Sleepy Boy Harley. And we are going on our first van trip in our DIY Sprinter Rex.
A quick trip on the Eurotunnel and we were well on our way to Morzine, our first official stop on this journey. A small town in the Alps known for snow sports and cycling, where we would make a car park our home for the next 2 weeks. That was an amazing day. Just got the afternoon up on the hill. It was a work day in the morning, but it was too sunny not to come up. So Emma gracefully stayed back down in Morzine, looking after puppy food. Whilst I got to run about the hills for a little bit.
Even though snowboarding is like what we definitely went for, there are some amazing other things to do in Morzine, including the beautiful river walks. Even when it's raining in Morzine, there's something fun to do. On this particular day, we decided to take Harley on his first ever gondola ride. We popped up to Avoriaz, which is a part of the resort connected by gondola and is completely pedestrianised. So it's a super fun place just to wander around. And it was built in the 1960s and just has really cool architecture.
Morzine is totally the kind of place where we could have spent our full 90-day Shenzhen visa. But when the coffee shop know your name and your order, you know you're getting a little bit too settled. So we decided to pack up and make our way to Annecy. Just behaving. Alright, Emma, so where are we?
On a hike in France.
We have just parked up outside Annecy and we're starting the Cascades d'Agnon hike, which is a 2-hour round loop. It says it's moderate, but this feels quite steep already. Oh, couldn't let people past.
Move away from me.
Yeah, just letting some people by. Harley causing a scene, of course.
Always.
Just wag barking, which unless you're a dog person and you notice the wag, it can be a bit aggressive, but our little wimpy dog is never aggressive. Anyway.
Apart from when I pat a dog.
Apart from when Emma pats a dog. Anyway, this is a relatively steep hike, but bodes well. Off you pop.
Even Harley's falling. Act natural.
We are
Hot.
hot.
So hot.
It's been 13 minutes and we are having a break.
That's fine.
This little Raj is quite happy with his big stick. Oh, another big one.
We didn't need to take a break. We just thought it would be nicer if we took a little break.
Yeah.
We've not had lunch yet, and so half an hour, 40 minutes to lunch will make me move faster.
Go on, Harley. Where's Emma?
Good boy.
Feeling a bit happier.
Yeah. We'll walk for food.
Yeah.
I saw people cycling, like doing a mega cycle, and then there was this amazing like Italian pizza shop, and I was like, I mean, I would cycle halfway through, I got to have a pizza. It's my kind of exercise. Carrot on a stick. Sandwich in a tin foil. Tough you didn't eat your lunch. Circus. Circus boy. We just like popped into Annecy for breakfast. We're like, oh, just running real quick, and because we have the supermarket and do a bunch of jobs. Sunday everything will be closed. And it's like the nicest place I think I've ever been.
It's so pretty. Emma's, I mean,
I'm moving here.
the whole trip Emma's been like taking notes, like we could live here, we'll have a house here, we'll build a house here. And here she's like, no, I could stay. There's like cool people, fashion, coffee, patisseries,
Like
boulangeries.
history, it's beautiful.
There's a river that runs through town.
There's hiking. There's like everything a grand piece.
Honestly, it's not even a nice day, and it's
having a
still
lovely
so much
time.
fun.
Harley's not so sure, but that's because we keep driving around windy roads. But yeah, can you tell I'm sick of my stupid little island? Like all I do is write down in a notebook all the places I could potentially move to, like in Europe, and I've been like looking up different visa types and what we need to do to move here. Yeah, Fun little explore. Nice
Oh.
way to start the day.
Yeah, this is
Explore.
great.
Stay tuned for more adventures.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, YouTube.
Hashtag Vanlife. Whoa.